Hey there! In this video, I will tell you how to earn money by writing software reviews. Stay tuned to know the websites that pay. Those who regularly work with different desktop software and mobile apps might realize the importance of this opportunity. You can practically make money of sharing your experience of those apps with other users. All you need to do is to install a particular software on your computer. Once you are done installing, you can use and test the features of that app and share your feedback. Some users have reported earning $1,500 or more for doing such gigs. Once you get the hang of this, it won't take you more than 30 minutes. CAPTERRA. CAPTERRA is a very popular online platform where you can find about your favorite software and read detailed reviews about them. They have a very strict criteria for shortlisting software, and they have a detailed process for checking fake reviewers. What's interesting is that they have an incentive program through which you can earn money for writing reviews. You can review any software that you have used in your life. Whether it's Adobe Photoshop or Microsoft Office or whatever, you can choose any of the software you're familiar with and write a detailed feedback. One thing to note is their incentive program isn't always open. You have to create a reviewer account and wait for such opportunities. Usually you will be notified via email about paid opportunities. Payment details. CAPTERRA pays its reviewers through gift cards and PayPal. Of course, you can redeem those gift cards to get cash in return. Reviewers usually earn up to $50 to $150 for each feedback. Gartner. Gartner is one of the leading IT solutions provider and review platform where you can find IT solutions relevant to many industries. You can either search IT solutions based on your favorite vendors, but also the market type and products. Their platform is extremely user-friendly and very easy to search for and select specific IT solutions for your needs. Luckily, they have a peer insight program that pays you to write reviews about your favorite IT solutions. Before writing a review, always make sure that you have suitable experience with the software you want to write about. They have a careful selection process for reviews, and only the most legitimate pieces get published. Payment details. For each review you write, you will earn a $10 gift card that can be exchanged to multiple currencies. There is no limit to how many reviews you can publish. G2 Crowd. G2 Crowd is another software review-based company that offers neutral, in-depth reviews on popular IT products. They have a huge list of categories of software to choose from. Main categories include e-commerce, finance, IT, project management, HR, marketing, and others. They have over 750,000 user-verified reviews on thousands of software products. Payment details. For every review, you will earn a $10 Amazon gift card or a $5 Starbucks card. You can choose any of these two options to get paid. If you want cash, you can easily exchange those gift cards for PayPal cash. APPERWALL. APPERWALL is a rewards-based application that pays you to review Android and iOS apps. It's an easy option to earn a side income from anywhere you want. It literally takes no more than 5 to 10 minutes of your time to give your opinion. Payment details. You will earn $1 per review. That means if you review one app per day, you will earn $30 by the end of the month. It's not a lot, but it will surely supplement your main source of income. The company even has a referral program that lets you earn 10% of your friends' earnings. APPERWALL currently pays through PayPal. Thank you for watching this video, and we have a lot of more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.